Hey guys, welcome to Plants Array. Today I'm going to do a quick video on canna lily seeds. I was taking a look out here in my yard today and I've got a bunch of seeds that are ready to harvest. So I'm going to show you guys how to harvest these. So you want to look for these pods right here, which are real brown. And these are ready. Take that off right there. And inside this pod right here will be some seeds like that. You'll see pods on them like this right here. These pods right here, they're not ready yet. These are still green. Just let them go for a little while, a couple weeks, and they'll turn. But there's a lot of pods on here that are ready. Here's some down here. You can see the seed popping right there. Those are flat right there. Let's see. Go to this one here. There's a seed in this one. Alright. There's all you want. There's plenty of seed in these. You can grow these. Grow these out and they'll be real nice plants for next year. They might not bloom the first year. I have had some luck with them blooming the first year, but just depends on how you're taking care of them and everything. But a good way to get some free plants. Just look for the brown pods and pick the brown pods off your canna lilies. These would be crossed because I got a bunch of different varieties in here, but just a simple way to get you some free plants. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.